How to blur video in After Effects. Let's get into it. Start by importing your footage. Next, come up to Window, come down to Effects and Presets. This will bring you into this window. Click into the search at the top and search for blur, and at the bottom here you should see Gaussian blur. Click and drag this onto your footage. You should see some changes start to take effect straight away, and it should also open up the effect controls window in the left. Within here you have a blurriness slider, and this number represents how blurry your footage is. The lower this number, the less blurry it is. The higher the number, the more blurry it is. I'm going to set mine to around about 40% for this example. As we can see, those changes are reflected over here. If you want to take this a step further, you can animate the blur. You can increase and decrease the intensity using a keyframe. I'll walk you through the example of taking footage from being blurry to being non-blurry. So I'm going to move my playhead to the beginning and create a keyframe on the blurriness, so we're starting off blurry. Next, I'm going to move my playhead forwards a little bit and then set this value to 0, so we're going from blurred to non-blurred. Now when we come to play this back, we can see we have that animated blur on our footage, and that's all there is to it.